Wait, is that something? Is that a fish? Oh, that's a fish! That's a fish! Oh, let's go. Come on.
Hello there, you fishermans and fisherwomens. Today, we've got a bit of an interesting video for you. So, I'm out here at the lake and we're in the old pick-em-up truck. And I have maybe the most interesting piece of fishing gear that I've ever seen. You know what? I'm just gonna show you. We're gonna go see it. Okay. So, I have here this fully foldable kayak. I mean, this thing fits in the trunk of a car. I mean, most of the time I'm fitting bodies in cars, but now we're fitting kayaks. I mean, this thing is awesome. But the real question is, will it float? And will it catch fish? So we got the little ultralight set up here, my little dry bag. But I guess let's get to setting this puppy up and I'll see it on the water. So as you can see, it's a little packed right now, but I got all my gear in the back. You know, tackle, fishing pole, odd worms, stuff like that. Life jacket. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty sturdy. So let's get this puppy on the water and get fishing. Give it the old college try, as my boss once said. Actually, he says that a lot. Oh, it's gone. He's got it. No, he don't. No, he don't. Dang it. Y'all, the folks at home, I know you saw that. He wants it bad. He said, daddy. There's fish here. Yep. Got him. Got him. Come on. No! No! Oh! You kidding me? What the heck? I mean, I'm trying to give it the old college try, and now I'm starting to understand why so many kids drop out. It's not even worth trying. But Terry, you're not even letting me down. It's these fish. Little Terry would never let me down. And we got the midday blues, you know what I'm saying? Midday blues. Wait, is that something? Is that a fish? Oh, that's a fish! That's a fish! Oh, let's go. Come on. Oh, yes, you girthy girl. Come on. Come on. Don't come off there. Don't come off there. No, no. No, no. Oh! That's a big one! Oh! Oh! No kidding! Oh! Oh! What is that? A big catfish! Oh! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, I don't even know what to do! Oh my gosh! Oh well, okay. Little Terry catches fish! Okay, but I gotta get this out of him. This is gonna pose a few problems here. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Look at the bend in this rod. Well, come on, let's get. Oh, Barbara, you get in here. You get in here, you girl. Oh, come on, Jesus, Barbara. Girl, hey, stop that. Barbara, hey, Barbara. We talked about this, girl. Oh, she's in the boat. She's in the boat. Oh, hey, chill out, girl. Chill out. Oh, come on, Terry. Oh, now I gotta go to the other side of the lake. Alrighty, I got my gloves. Feel like I'm about to give this fish a prostate exam. Oh. Bad. Come on. Oh, there she is. Hook and all. Let's let her go back to her family. Oh, yes, sir. Well, fishermen's and fisherwomen's, that pretty much sums up the video. I can't believe that fish was caught on this here little ultralight rod. That is just crazy to me. And caught out of a foldable kayak. I mean, it's just amazing that we didn't sink this puppy, or it just didn't fall apart. But little Terry, he stood strong, he stood his ground. So, we will be seeing some more of little Terry in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing fishing content. I love you guys. Subscribe.